Hello everyone, welcome to all. We are the mentees of APU's online course ELEC. Here we are presenting our reflections and views on online course ELEC. We are happy to share our joyful journey.
Hi everyone, this is Sandeep Kumar from ELEC 4 Batch 11A. I would like to share my opinions about ELEC in a short poem. Well, I made a decision and selected an option with a proper vision. ELEC showed me a direction. Beyond my imagination brought about a great transformation. Connective themes, constructive tasks, cooperative mentors, effective coordinator, attentive mentees made a qualitative approach. In the path of knowledge construction, moral evaluation, to fulfill our ambition with a great concentration, it left an indelible impression on our manifestation. Course not only just impressed us but also inspired us well. My heartfelt thanks to ELEC and SCRT. Thank you all.
Well said, well said, well said, well said, well said. Excellent, 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 excellent.
Good evening. Myself T. Kalpana Randu, working as SGT in MPPS Kamlapur, Devarkota Mandal, Nalgonda district. I am here to talk about ELEC training program that I have been through these past 9 weeks. And I am very thankful to APU, the Philanthropical Foundation, whose mission is to improve school education in India. This ELEC program is designed by experts not only to build quality uh, but to build the capacity of the teachers. And in this program, we are not only learning how to speak English, but we are also learning how to interact with the children in our own schools, how to interact with those young minds. Uh, and what I felt that there is knowledge from all dimensions in this program. We are listening, we are speaking, we are writing, we are reading, and we are listening to TED Talks, we are reading the articles, we are discussing in the discussion forums, and in Zoom classes, we are talking, we are exchanging our views, and in our breakout rooms, we are sharing our experiences. And this is a very joyful learning. In this program, we learn to be bold, to be empathetic, to be human, and the inner feelings that we have lost long back that have arised. And I am very thankful that I joined such a wonderful program.
Wonderful.
Sometimes I was discouraged, disappointed, but after joining this course, it was very happy moments. When we were discussing in the sessions, we never felt that it was a classroom or a lecture room. It was a family members. We are discussing with our family members and friends. There was a no chance to fear and shyness. This built us confident among us to speak in English fluently. And coming to the themes are very general and common. We come across all these themes in our day-to-day lives. When we are discussing with these themes, the views, the ideas and feelings spontaneously we shared with others. That's a great thing we can say about the themes. Now, and even the TED Talks, inspirational themes, speeches, and motivational speeches in the themes inspired us a lot. Coming to our mentor, coordinator Madam, Vimla Madam, she always encouraged us, inspired us with her motivational speeches. We never forget her speeches in our life. Now, our mentors, who are always 24 by 7 ready to help us in all the ways, guiding us, leading us to approach in better way. So finally, I can say that they help APU as a good platform for remaining teachers who are going to join in this, for them to help us to develop in our communication skills. Thank you for an and all and also APU.
Wonderful presentation, wonderful presentation, wonderful presentation.
Hi, I am Parmeshwari from Jogulamba Gadwal district and batch number 11A. I was joined in this APU for improving my English, which is related to classroom teaching. When I was started, I was really impressed by Vimala ma'am speaking. I want to learn more. I want to speak like her. Like that, I felt. I have read, watched, and expressed my views in different themes, different ways. I have shared my views and I have participated in different types of discussion, breakout rooms. This APU helps to uh, learn speaking skills and it helps to interact with my children in English. These themes, storytelling, friendship, desires, and so many themes, these are really related to our real life and very supported mentors, Vijayalakshmi ma'am, Mallikarjun sir, and Manjula ma'am, and Vimala ma'am also. When doubts have, they are very supported to me in class and themes in breakout rooms. This pandemic stopped the whole world, but not the teachers who really want to develop their students. I think it can't interrupt our interaction. Thank you.
Well said, well said, well said, well said, well said. Wonderful, 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 wonderful. Hello everyone, I'm Sharvani Akula from ALC Batch 11 Section A. I'm working as SGT at MPPS Girmapur Mechel District. APU's online course was a wonderful platform for all the language lovers who wish to improve their proficiency and enhance their professional growth in English language. We developed many language skills like self expression, self reflection through mesmerizing themes, debates, reporting, interactions, breakout rooms. As a baby in the womb grows for 9 months and forms into a full fledged individual. As such, the ELEC learner was in the womb of APU for 9 weeks and came out as an efficient speaker. Really, it's a wonderful thing. Excellent, excellent.
This is Aravinda. Good evening to everyone. APU given best opportunity to teachers for improve their English language skills. First, we are very thankful to APU and also to SCRT for giving sources to develop the English language. Next, we are very thankful to our 11th group coordinator, Vimla Garu. By her looks like cool brightened rays as like as moon rays with star twinkling words, she encouraged the whole group to succeed their willing to gain the language. To comes to mentors. Mentors are very well maintained the mentees' mind to fulfill their aims to talk in English. Comes to J. Vijayalakshmi Garu, she shown her role like a Vijay Durga to improve all mentees in talking English. Comes to Manjula Garu. She attracted by her melodious voice, by way of well pronunciation words, and by tactical sentences. By coming to Mallikarjuna Garu, he impressed by his innovative stories and by using creative words and by way of asking questions. By above all four directions, we all became very well in improving language skills. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Well said, well said, well said, well said, well said.
Start.
And coming to the execution part, I want to thank the designers, executive coordinators who are behind the screen for this program. And I want to thank Vimla ma'am, my role model. I think she has a magic wand in her hands. Talks so softly that she convinces everyone, and her decisions are very instantaneous, and the way she show concern, the way she talks, I'm very admirer of her, and thank you ma'am. I'm grateful to Vijaya ma'am, my mentee, who was been through my journey in these 9 weeks, not only as a facilitator but as my friend. She guided me whenever I needed her, and she was there for me whenever I called her. And I know how much effort Mallikarjun sir and Manjula ma'am has put to make this program go success. They were framing the questions, what to ask, when to ask, and how to complete the sessions in time, and what to share in the Zoom classes. So they are the people who are behind the making the program success. And not but not the least, I want to talk about my friends who were there with me learning English all these 9 weeks. I'm going to miss them from now, because we are all become family members, and we were learning, we were sharing experiences, and we are sharing our skills. We are motivating each other, and there are tons of knowledge in many teachers, and the way everyone interacted with each other, that itself make the program a big success. We never heard no from none of the members. So I'm going to miss all my teachers, and I wish I am looking forward to join ELEC 2 if possible in near future. Thank you APU, thank you SCRT for giving me such a opportunity to go through such a wonderful course, learning English. Thank you.
Okay, na? Start. Hi everyone, I am Moses. Today I am very happy to say few words of gratitude on APU. First of all, I would like to thank our SCRT madam, Sheshakumari ma'am, to taking initiation, collaborating us with APU. My heartful thanks to APU and the sirs madam behind the designing of this course.
We, all the ELEC batch learners, express our gratitude to the Philosophical Foundation, APU, from bottom of our hearts for designing a wonderful platform for professional development and improving proficiency of English language in this pandemic situation as an online course. And we also express our gratitude from bottom of our hearts towards SCRT Director Sheshakumari ma'am for the wonderful tie-up with APU with a vision of improving the quality and standard of education in the state through this online course for teacher community by igniting, motivating, enriching the teacher community.
More ways to learn English around me always before I have joined in this. No one can made me speak out of like this before I have joined in this. So much a friendly, so encouraging to improve my English. So much of fun and so much of freedom to expressing in my views. Speaking English easy through ELE course. Speaking easy, learning English easy through ELE course. Learning easy inspired me and also guided me. Oh, molded me and motivated me. Different themes, different thoughts from our realities. I have to speak out with different thoughts. It's totally different from all of others. Mentors or advisors. Speaking English easy through ELE course. Speaking easy, learning English easy through ELE course. Learning easy.